Hello guys, this is Hard Reset, and do you have troubles with Disney Plus? Shows won't load, buffering is non-stop, or the app is freezing? Here's how to fix it. First of all, you need to exit and reboot Disney Plus. This is so quick and simple, we're going like this. And here you go. But if you already logged in and it didn't help you, you might need to check the app permissions. Let's go to the settings, apps, Disney Plus, and app permissions. Let's go allow some of them. Okay, so where we allow this. Okay, so when we allowed some permissions and it didn't help you, we might to go to reinstall the application. Now we are going to the Play Store, search for the Disney, uninstall, and install it again. Okay, so, and if even this didn't help you, you need to visit the one internet page that called downdetector.com. Let's go to Down Detector and look for the Disney. Okay, so there were some issues at last 24 hours, but for now it's not really the big problem. So the last thing you could do is to check your internet connection, if it's stabilized, and after this, if it's good, just restart your phone, and I hope it will solve your problem. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next videos. Goodbye.